Welcome to Admiral Today. Don't forget smash the like button and subscribe. Let's dive into today's lecture. I'll do it later. The lie that's stealing your life. I'll do it later. The most convincing lie we tell ourselves. And in the 21st century, it's easier than ever to believe it because distraction isn't an accident. It's a product. Every time you postpone, it feels harmless. A scroll here, a YouTube rabbit hole there. But procrastination is a slow leak that drains your potential in silence. Today, I'm not here to motivate you. I'm here to show you how to break this cycle permanently. Procrastination used to be about laziness. Today, it's about overload and algorithmic manipulation. You wake up and within 10 minutes, you're hit with messages, memes, headlines, 10 apps buzzing for attention. You're not lazy. You're overstimulated. Your brain is in survival mode, dodging discomfort and choosing dopamine. And the worst part? The world is set up to reward that behavior with likes, views, and temporary relief. But every later stacks up. You don't notice it until the gap between who you are and who you could have been becomes unbearable. Let me tell you about Marcus. Smart guy, talented writer. For 3 years, he told himself he'd start a blog, build his brand, publish a book. But Netflix was easier. Twitter was addictive. He kept saying, I just need the right moment. That moment never came. Until one day he got laid off. No warning, no savings. And for the first time in his life, he faced the cost of procrastination in full. That week, Marcus gave himself one rule. 1 hour of deep work before any screen time. No phone, no news, no emails. Just him, a blank page, and a timer. 12 months later, Marcus has 35,000 email subscribers, a digital product, and earns more than he ever did at his 9 to 5. Not because he got lucky, because he got serious. And he got rid of later. Let's break this down. You procrastinate for 3 reasons. Fear of failure. If you don't start, you can't fail, right? Perfectionism. You want to do it right, so you delay doing it at all. Dopamine hijack. Your brain is addicted to short-term pleasure, not long-term gain. But here's what science says. Light bulb action precedes motivation, not the other way around. When you take the tiniest step forward, your brain releases dopamine for progress, not perfection. This isn't just about willpower. You need systems. Here's your 3-part plan. 1. Time block your temptations. Give yourself permission to scroll, watch, or game, but only after 90 minutes of focused work. Use tools like Freedom, Cold Turkey, or even Grayscale mode to shut off distractions. 2. Use the 2-minute jumpstart. When you feel resistance, don't commit to a full task. Commit to starting for just 2 minutes. That's enough to break inertia. Most people who start keep going. 3. Accountability in public. Tell one friend what you're doing and when. Or better, post it online. Say, I'm writing 1 page a day for 30 days. Hold me to it. Procrastination dies in the light of expectation. Bonus tip, stack your habit with a reward. Example, no coffee until you finish your first draft. No TikTok until your sales calls are done. Link pain to delay and pleasure to execution. Here's the truth. You're not waiting for the right time. You're just afraid the version of you who shows up won't be enough. But you won't become that version without showing up. You don't need to fix everything today. You just need to stop lying to yourself. I'll do it later is the story that ends in regret. I'll do it now is how you rewrite your life. Comment now below if you're done waiting. Then pick one thing you've been putting off and do just 2 minutes of it. Start the timer. Start the work. Start the transformation. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. Thank you.